So, sorry about that. So, thinking yesterday about how Harry Potter could be described as a power fantasy. Down on his luck hero who is destined to win and be rich and famous and show up all his bullies and adversaries. Versus Lord of the Rings could be described as an anti-power fantasy. Elves are cursed with power/immortality, and only small acts of friendship, kindness, and love can save us. This sounds very possible. I know that's definitely a version of elves, but since I still haven't made it past the first couple chapters of the Fellowship of the Rings, I have not really seen what elves are like specifically in Lord of the Rings. And I know a lot of the curse aspect upon like all of Middle Earth and especially elves is explored a lot more in the Silmarillion. So, like, even if I did read it, what are the chances that I would get that accurate, full impression if I was only looking at the Lord of the Rings. We're on the wrong layer. Oops. I was intending to add a layer here, not on the spider. Okay, that makes more sense. I was like, why is this being so subtle? The point that it's almost like I can't even see something is happening. All right. This is all kind of silly. But hey. Let me go ahead and group that so that I can add. Well, I'm going to save this file also first. That's the thing we haven't done yet. Emotes notes. Okay, emotes 2024. I'm gonna go ahead and label it notes. In case I want to make the next one on a separate file, but probably I won't. But anyway, let me add a curves layer to this. Pin light basically does nothing. Soft light does something, but not better than just the curves themselves. Yeah, soft light still increases the strength unnecessarily. It's just itself doubling back on itself doubling back on itself, you know, reflexivity. That's all right, but let's actually do a selective color